welcome to AIQrArt 101, and today we're going to be discussing how the website works and how you can create your very own QR code. So to start with, you have QR creation, and then once you have created a QR code, you would take it down to QR Artistics. For this video, we are just going to discuss the QR creation, and it would first ask you your QR code path, which you would choose either to customize your own one or to upload a QR code from your own documents. So it gives you the content type, which could either be in form of URL, email, SMS, phone, or plain text. For a URL, you would enter the URL you would like to use, and then you would choose your QR clarity. This means it will decide how detailed and the success rate of your QR code comes out. So for low, it would show you a QR code which is less detailed, and when you go to high and click generate, it will show you one in much higher resolution, and this will have a higher success rate of working. And then if we go to email, you would enter the email you would like to use, and then all these other boxes you can either enter the information you need or just leave them blank, and it would still do the same thing. So we click on a QR code, which would take you straight to that email address. And you can also use plain text, enter in some text that you would like, and then press on any of these and generate. And there you have it, a QR code that would send this bit of text to anyone who scans it. And then if you want to upload your own QR code, you would click on upload and then choose file, and then you would choose your file you would like. You can either use JPEG or PNG. So we'd open this one for the video, and there you have it, your very own QR code, which you can then take down to Artistic and change. And that is everything for this video. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you again next time.